So, the first thing we're going to do is sign up to powerapps.microsoft.com. We can see that we can start for free. You will need to enter your email, create your account, and finally confirm your details. Alternatively, we can sign in straight away if we have a Microsoft 365 account. To sign in with an existing account, we go to the website address https://make.powerapps.com. Note that PowerApps currently doesn't support personal email addresses, so you will need to sign in with your business or work email. Once signed in, you will land on the PowerApps homepage. Here we will find that we can start building apps from sample apps, templates, or simply start from scratch with a blank app. All the applications you've developed, as well as those created by others and shared with you, can be found in this section.